Hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez from my Sagari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na tatagan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is the monthly gabay for the month of September 2024 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kundi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig na gumapang na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So guys, let's see what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Libra. So see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating masasagap? So ito na ang ating mga mensahe ng ating angel spirit. So let's see and watch this. Angel spirit, please give information. The Ten of Swords, backstab, betrayal. Mag-iingat kayo, no? Kung baga napapalibutan ka ng mga toxicities, no? This is something on phone call na maaaring kumbaga may mga tawag or mensahe ka na maaaring nililinlang ka lang nila, no? May mga bagay dito na maaaring kumbaga this is something on email or messages, yun pala it's an either a scam, no? Maaaring ni-scam ka, binubudol ka. This is something the Queen of Cups by healing. Na magkakaroon ka ng healing dito. Or this is something a mother figure with a something an emotional, no? Maaring kumbaga you are also single mom, no? So and of course this is something the full card for a new beginning coming in for you. Now, at sinasabi dito, this is something Francis and Frogis, no? Kung magdadaan ka talaga sa tamang proseso. At sinasabi dito with the full card is kung magagamayan mo yung pagtitiwala, no? Kung baka yun nga, baka magdala sa ito sa paglilinlang lang nila. This is something the Hangman represent the stock, no? Or something or change your mindset or even your perspective. No, kailangan nyo na baguhin yung pananaw, iniisip nyo, no? And because maaaring nakakaranas ka ng delay and cancellation as of now. And then plus this something na Nine of Pentacles represent the financial security, no? Kung binibigyan dito ng mensahe na maaaring magkaroon ka ng seguridad pagdating sa finances. And kasi sinasabi din dito ng ating angel spirit with the Ease of Cups and with a love offer na may bagong pag-ibig na darating at maaring itong tao na to ay maaring bago, no? Bago magpapatibok sa pihikang puso mo. Ganon. Additional messages with the Ten of Swords. So this is something, the Moon card, a truth reveal. Malalaman mo na kagad, no? Kung sino tong traitor, kung sino tong manluloko behind your back. Kumbaga, mahuhuli mo, magkakaroon ka ng instinct rather, no? So let's see what is the Queen of Cups. The Queen of Cups represent the Knight of Wands for the silence. At the same time, a final push. No? May mga bagay na kailangang pailaban. No? Kahit na, kumbaga, hirap ka na sa situation, but you need to do that. No? At the same time, let's see what is the full card. Kailangan low-key muna, ha? Tahimik muna ang mga atake nyo dito. And this is something ka chariot, you need to take an action from this, no? Kailangan mo na kumilos, gumalaw kasi nasa tamang proseso ka, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo na lang talagang ma-experience yung mga ganyang emotion, informations, no? And because agenda or something, ano man yung situation na yan, kailangan mo lang yan maranasan. This is something to joining forces na maaaring, kumbaga kasama siya sa pagprepara sa'yo, no? To have a new beginning. So this is something that new the Hangman represent the Knight of Cups with a wish fulfillment. So may mga bagay na matutupad na. May mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan na. May mga bagay dito na maaring kumbaga nagkaroon ng delays and cancellation, but definitely guys, darating na siya. So let's see what is the Nine of Pentacles. Represent the Page of Wands by good news. Now may magandang balita dito at may magandang offer na darating sa iyo na magdadala sa iyo ng financial security. Wow, pasabog. The Ace of Cups represent what? The Knight of Cups with an offer, proposal, engagement, a higher level commitment. May pag-ibig talaga, guys. This is something unconditional love or something a great love. Na maaaring itong tao na to, kumaga, siya yung unang minahal mo pero hanggang siya rin yung huling mamahalin mo. Ganun. Kumbaga, first and last. Ganun siya ang atake dito, no? And this is a devil card for the Ten of Swords in the Moon card. So see, this is something backstabbing, no? Betrayal sa'yo. With the Moon card, malalaman mo yung mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa'yo. Kaya nananaginip ka ng hindi magaganda, some of nowhere. Nagigising ka ng alas 2, alas 3 sa madaling araw. Not because of, there's a doing of black magic on you. Oh my God. So let's see what is the Queen of Cups, represented na Nine of Wands. So this is the Queen of Wands by confidence, no? Kailangan lakas mo ang pakiramdam mo, lakasan mo ang vibrations, no? Even your instinct. No, napakalapit mo na para maisakatuparan o malaman kung sino talaga itong tao na to. This is something the Queen of Wands na meron talagang, black magic here, no? Kumaga sinusubukan ang empowerment or kalakasan mo, no? Kung hanggang sa kakakapit. Diba? The Fool card and the Chariot card represent what? The Temperance. The perfect timing. So this is the moment, no? Para pinapalakas ka ng ating mga gabay. This is something to joining forces that bring you a solid foundation, no? Kumbaga, dahil dyan sa mga experiences, situation na naranasan mo, this is something that brings you a new beginning. Talagang dyan yung magdadala sa'yo ng bagong simula. Diba? Kumbaga isang paraan o isang pamamagitan ng mga yan ay yung mga naranasan mo ay isang halimbawa siya na kumbaga unti-unti mo nang makikita, no? Kung ano yung kalalabasan ng eksena or yung mga nangyayari sa'yo. Kumbaga makikita mo na kaagad yung possibilities of a bigger picture. Ganon. So let's see what is the Hangman of Cups, the Nine of Cups. So this is the Five of Pentacles. So see, nagkaroon ka ng stuck dito that because of this Five of Pentacles, no? Nakakaranas ka ng financial loss, financial crisis, that because of this delay. No? Kumbaga binigyan ka ng, kumbaga pampabagal ng eksena, no? Kaya ka nakakaranas ng delay, cancellation, postpone, ganun. This is something Nine of Cups. But eventually guys, no, makukuha mo pa rin siya. No? Mabagal man, pero makukuha mo pa rin siya at the end of the time, no? Mag-ingat ka lang guys, this is something an evil eye contract, no? Don't posting by social media, no? Kumbaga may mga taong naiinggit, no? Even your transaction, kumbaga hindi mo alam na itong tao na to, no? Hinihiling na tumumal yung negosyo mo or bumagal yung transactions pagdating sa trabaho mo, ganun. Kumbaga, mag-ingat ka lang. No? So let's see what is the Nine of Pentacles and then across the Page of Cups. So this is the Four of Pentacles. So protect your power, protect your energy. So sinasabi, protectionan mo at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo kasi nalaman mo na itong tao na to ay binabackstab ka talaga, no? Parang kumbaga sa harap-harapan na pagkaharap mo siya, kumbaga akala mo binibless ka niya na oy, good luck, ganyan yung pala deep inside. Kumbaga nag-iisip siya na sana hindi mo makuha, no? Na sana tanggihan ka ng gano'n. May mga gano'n. So, kumbaga, imbis na dapat hindi ka talaga nagsishare ng thoughts, even information. And this is the Nine of Swords. Nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety or sleepless night. Or either, guys, kumbaga, meron ditong stress and depression, ha? Kasi meron ditong ginayumay person mo. So, let's see what is the outcome. No? Balisa kasi yung person mo or either ikaw. This is the Page of Cups by spying, looking, watching at you. Oh. May sumusubaybay sa'yo. No, maaaring kumbaga, kaya ganito yung nararamdaman ng person mo, maaaring yung gumagawa sa kaibigan mo. No, or kaibigan nyo yung gumagawa sa inyo na maaaring may gusto sa person mo. This is something the Queen of Pentacles with the practicality and good sense pagdating sa entrepreneur. Ibig sabihin dito, pangalagaan mo, proteksyonan mo, kung ano yung mahalaga sa'yo. Additional messages about sa career. This is a Nine of Wands for slowly but surely. No? Kung mabagal man ang eksena ngayon pagdating sa finances, but eventually, kung mapipitas mo rin yan, makukuha mo rin yan. This is a Three of Swords. No? Marami lang talagang pain or some struggles and insecure. No? And this is the Ace of Wands. Don't you worry, this is a new spark, new beginning coming in for you. Kung makukuha nyo pa rin siya at the end of the time. So let's see what is additional messages. About sa love life. So this is something, the Six of Cups. So this is something a past person. Now this is something an ex, no? And this is or a friend. This is a Five of Cups with something regret or disappointment. Na maaaring nadi-disappoint yung friend mo or either kamag-anak mo dito. This is the Queen of Swords with a bigger picture, no? Kumbaga nakikita niya kasi na parang ang ganda-ganda ng eksena nyo, ang ganda-ganda ng mga, di ba, meron kayong plans and of course meron kayong dreams sa isa't isa, no? Even your goals, no? Kumbaga itong tao na to napakalaking insecure And this is the lovers, no? Kumbaga itong maaring asawa mo na to, ganon. Kumbaga, inggitera. May inggitera talaga. So let's see additional messages about sa health. About sa health mo naman, this is the sun card, no? Don't you worry, ha? Kumbaga, magiging maganda yung kalusugan mo kasi may hili ka naman sa herbal, no? Kumbaga, nagkakaroon naman ng balance pagdating sa sarili mo, no? Pagdating sa health issues, so, kayang-kaya mong i-manage yung nararamdaman mo. Kapag nagkakaroon ka ng ganong effect or something synchronicities, and of course, signs na nararamdaman mo sa inner, kumbaga, sa katawan mo, no? Kumbaga, pag alam mo nararamdaman masakit yung ganito ka masakit, kumbaga you need to take, kumbaga nagtitake ka ng action, no? Taking some herbal tea or something, kumbaga, medications on your own, kumbaga, with the herbs, no? Kumbaga, meron kang, alternative medicines. Kumbaga, nagtitake ka ng mga gano'n na, alam mo sa sarili mo na kayang-kaya mo solusyonan. So, guys, let's see, additional messages with, magical fairy messages. Ang tagal mo dyan. Magical fairy messages. So this is a vegetarian. So see, I told you, kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables. See, kailangan mo ng mga fruits or mahilig ka talaga sa fruits. And there's a walking away. No? Kailangan mo nang kumalis, tumalikod, no? Sa mga bagay o tao sa situation mo na alam mong hindi nakakatulong sa'yo. Leave the unhealthy situation. And this is something you got the power, no? You have the power, no? Use your ability to resolve this situation and you can do it, no? You can create your own life. You can create your own destiny. At the same time, you can create on your happiness. So let's see what is the synchronicities. Anong sign sa'yo ng ating angel spirit? And because this is something the child, no? Maaaring may anak ka. And this is a magician. Bata para ang gumagawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda, ha? And this is something held, no? Kumbaga, ginakawakan kayo sa lego. Maaaring, kumbaga, itong tao na to ay, kumbaga, siya, kinukold. Kumbaga, hinuhold kayo. Maaaring, kumbaga, may kadena dito. Parang ganun. Kinukontrol kayo. No, nasa kayo, nasa stages kayo talaga ng magicians, no? Ng black magic. Hawak kayo ng black magic. This is something higher self with activation. Nag-activate din yung spiritual mo. Nagkakaroon ka na ng, nagkakaroon ka na dito ng pakiramdam, senses, no? Third eye, na maaring nakikita mo na yung mga possibility of predictions, visions, no? Intuitions, no? May ganon. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka na dito ng spiritual activation. And this is something reject and loss, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na parang, kumbaga, nawawalan ka ng gana, feeling mo parang, bored. Parang ganon. This is something bored and parang feeling mo, ayaw mo na, you're feeling lost. And this is something avoidance. Kailangan mo iwasan yan. At kailangan mo na maputol yung ganong eksena. And this is something Pluto with the transformation. Unti-unti na magbabago ang situation. And this is something thoughts. Na kumbaga sinasabi din dito with the thoughts. Na maaaring kumbaga inaano kanya with intuition or something imaginations like that. So let's see guys, no, what is additional messages with Archangel Michael messages for you. Focus sa undefined perfect health. No, kailangan mo focus sa sarili mo ha, sa health issues. But eventually guys, okay ka naman. Pero kailangan mo dito ng more on herbs. And this is something have confidence. Kailangan mo magkaroon ng confidence sa sarili mo, confiance, ganon. And this is something energy healing works, no? Kumbaga na maring kumbaga nag-work na, no? Yung mga ginagawa mo, napoprotection mo yung sarili mo, nag-use sa boundaries. Now you're doing cleansing, so it's a good part. For romance angels, so this is something it's safe for you to love, no? Safe ka man daw pag nagmamahal ka. And this is something at children. So big talaga, connected talaga mga anak mo dito, no? May mga anak dito or something, may bata talaga dito na maaaring konektado sa'yo. Maaaring this is something in chain, no? Maaaring ginagawang ka pati yung mga anak mo. So let's see what is the angel's answer. And there's a communicate clearly. Kailangan mo makapag-communicate ng maayos, ha? Linawin mo, alamin mo, tuklasin mo. Na siguraduhin mo, this is something abundance. Na magkakaroon ka na kasagahan. And this is something improving health. Na mag-improve na rin ang health mo. So let's see guys, now what is the chakra messages? And there's a wisdom guys, no? This is something enlightenment, na mabibigyan linaw lahat ng mga bagay-bagay sa'yo. And there's a faith, no? Sinusubukan na pananampalataya at tiwala mo. And this is something trickery, no? May paglilin lang talaga. Oh my God. Umpisa pa lang sinabi na may naglilin lang sa'yo guys. Mag-ingat ka. Ngayong buwan na to, ito na yung oras o araw o buwan ng katotohanan at pagwindang, no, ng mga malalaman mo. So let's see what is additional messages. And because this is something transmutation with the purification, paglilinis, no? Lilinisin na yung nasahanay mo. Susunugin na aalisin ng mga sisilbing, diba? Magsisilbing anay sa eksena mo. And this is something confident. Kailangan mo lakasan ng loob mo, lakasan ng pakiramdam mo, magkaroon ka ng kumpiyansa, alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. At sinasabi dito, this is something mystery by intuition. No, kumbaga, alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo dahil ang totoong eksena ay nandito sa intuition mo, no? Kumbaga, hindi binibigay sa'yo kasi may takot at pangamba ka pa na ayaw mong harapin yung katotohanan. No, but eventually, guys, no, kumbaga, ito na yung pinapakita sa'yo sa misteryo ng nababalot sa buhay mo, no? Kumbaga, may misteryo na nababalot sa buhay mo na puno-puno na negatibo dahil dito sa gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa inyo. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, this is something I remember, though there's a soul plan. No, soul plan. So it means this is a fated life versus the destiny life. Ibig sabihin dito talagang itinakdatong mangyari na to dahil ay pagkakaloob sa'yo yung mga bagay na ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. So ibig sabihin dito, pinapakita sa'yo dito para malaman mo kung sino ang alisin mo at sino yung pag-iingatan mo. And this is something you got the love. No, this is a set of boundaries. No, kumaga ingatan mo ang mamahal mo sa buhay. So let's see what is additional messages. And there's an abundance. Talaga double clarification guys, no? Kumaga magkakaroon ka talaga ng kasaganahan dito and you manifest it eh. And because this is a blame, no? Ma-manifest mo daw yan, yung abundance na yan. And this is a blame, no? Kumaga wala kang ibang sisisihin, no? Kundi ang sarili mo sa lahat ng mga gagawin mong actions. Be responsible. Additional messages. So this is the animal, no? You are also animal lover. And of course, this is environmentalism and environmentalism. So it means, nasa paligid mo lang ang mga gumagawa sa iyo. Kailangan protect your power, protect your energy. No? Kung magana sa paligid, or kailangan mo na unwind, guys. No? Kailangan mo na sariwang hangin. At the same time, this is something, a victory is yours, na mapagtatagumpayan mo to. At sinasabi dito, this is a happy family. Magiging masaya ang pamilya mo. Now, this is something, after the storms, there's a rainbow. And of course, this is something, an event, of course, a family gathering. So, let's see, guys, what is additional messages with the Monsology. And your dreams need a practical plan. So, kung gusto mo matipad yung mga pangarap mo, kailangan mo planuhin ng practical. No, at wasto. At this is something, a personal issue reaches resolution. Masusolusyonan na ang mga problemang pinagdadaanan mo. Additional messages for Archangel Raphael. So this is something prayer works. No, yung pagdarasal mo talaga makakatulong. No, you have an abilities. No, kumaga meron kang kakayanan eh. Meron ka ditong kaalaman. At the same time, kaya mo magpagana ng mga orasyon. So let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. And this is something with God, all things are possible. So, pagdating sa ating Panginoon, walang imposible, no? Lahat ng mga bagay-bagay ay posible sa'yo. So, let's see what is the angel's number represent what? 999 for lesson learned. Matuto ka na, dumistansya. Kasi yung mga tao sa paligid mo na pinagkakatiwalaan mo, maaaring siya o sino ba ang tumatrader sa'yo. So, mag-iingat ka. Take stock of your accomplishment, how you are right at them. This is a reminder to maintain optimism and drive towards your goal. Maintain your momentum and know that the powers of heaven have your back. You made it. And the reward goes to you. So, see, huwag kang mawawala ng pag-asa. Huwag maalis ang tiwala at pananampalataya mo dahil ang buong may kapalata ating mga gabay ay nasa likod mo lamang. No? Sinusuporta at ginagabayan ka kaya magtiwala ka. So let's see what is the messages of life. And this is something, remain in the light. So manatili doon ka sa liwanag. Huwag kang lilingon sa kadiliman. So kumaga panatiliin wasto at tama ang ginagawa mo. Doon ka lamang sa tama at makatotohanan ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. No? Sinasabi dito, today, I observed, I take time to think calmly and wisely. I go forward with a complete confidence, knowing I will succeed. No matter what happened today, I will remain in the light. I will maintain my faith and my equilibrium. In this way, I nurture my soul and become strong, steady, representative of the light. So, ikaw yung magsisilbing representative ng liwanag, no? Or ikaw yung magsisilbing liwanag din sa iba. No? Sa pamamagitan mo, ikaw yung gagawing instrumento ng ating Panginoon para tulungan yung mga taong kumaga napupunta sa kadiliman, napupunta sa madilimang sitwasyon, no? Kumbaga kailangan ipagdasal mo, kailangan mong turuan ang sarili mo, turuan yung mga tao sa paligid mong linisin kung ano man yung mga bagay na kailangan kailangan nilang gawin na nagsisilbing balakid, no, sa kanilang mga hangarin. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of September 2024 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. And of course, don't forget guys, to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo na hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalaan kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig na gumapaw ni biyayang manong balik sa inyo. And of course guys, happy birthday Mama Mary. And of course, enjoy your day at the same time. Maraming salamat po sa paggabay at pagpapala sa amin po. No? Maraming salamat po sa pagbibigay ng pagmamahal, no? At sakripisyo. At maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.